Hi guys, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, and also everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I want to do a video talking about some easy summer projects that you can work on. It's two McCall's patterns, and I like these two McCall's patterns because you can sew them separately or you can sew them together to make an outfit. So they are really quick and easy sews. They have minimal pattern pieces, and you could use really cute fabrics to make really cute outfits. So the first one is McCall's 8112, and it's a top pattern. I actually made this for Vlogmas. It wasn't a tutorial. I think I was just sewing it on camera, but it wasn't a tutorial. But I actually made the long sleeve version out of a camel print, and I really need to take pictures, and some of the stuff I made during Vlogmas, that's a whole nother conversation, whole nother video. But this time I'm making the short sleeve version without the cuffs, and I'm going to also use McCall's 8221, and I'm going to make these longer length shorts. I don't know if they're long enough to be culottes, or I'm not sure yet because I haven't made up the pattern yet. But you have the regular length shorts, you got some shorts with ruffles, and then you have the longer length shorts. But you can make these two patterns, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make an outfit. I'm going to make the pants or shorts or whatever they're called, and then I'm going to make a top to match. So like I said, you can either make them separately or you can make them as an outfit. So I'm going to use for the shorts, I'm going to use this Inquires print fabric, and I've sewn with Inquires before. And I cut the double XL on the shorts because this is Inquires print and it doesn't have any stretch to it. So I cut the size XXL, which is 24 to 26 because of my hips. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out. So if this video never comes to the light, that means it didn't turn out well. But anyway, gonna use this really cute Inquires print. And you all saw me cut this out in my video. I was acting silly when I was cutting this out because at first I couldn't figure out how to lay the pattern pieces on the fabric because, you know, Inquires print is 45 inches. So it took me a minute in my head to figure out, unfold the fabric and then fold it the other way. Anyway, and I'm going to use this purple ponte knit for the top pattern. So I'm going to make an outfit, be a really cute spring and summer outfit, and hopefully everything works out. So as far as this top goes, this is a very easy sew. I think it has 4, depending on which view you make. The one I'm making, it has front, back, neckband, and sleeves. That's it. You sew the top, you sew the shoulder seams together, add your sleeves, sew down your sides, put your neckband on, hem. It's that simple. I think, I hate to always say this in a video and then I can't find what I'm looking for, but I'm sure there's a tutorial here on my channel sewing something simple and easy like this. I will look for it. It may not be the same pattern, but it will be the same concept. It will have the same amount of pieces. If it doesn't have the same amount of pieces, it may have a bottom band on it. But I will definitely try to find a top pattern in my videos to as like a tutorial that you could possibly follow to make this top. The pants, I have not made them yet, but, or the shorts, I haven't made them yet, but there's only 3 pieces. Yeah, there's only 3 pieces. The front, the back, and the pockets. The waistband folds down. So the waistband has a little extra at the top on the pattern piece, and you do your markings and it just folds down and you add your elastic. So I'm sure I've made some pants on the channel. I will find a video. I'm positive I've made some pants. But I will link a video in the description of sewing similar pants. Only difference is these will be shorter. As a matter of fact, it's a simplicity pattern. That hacking pattern, I can't remember which one it is. I'll pop a picture up on the screen so you can see the actual pattern I'm talking about. Just like these shorts. Front leg, back leg, pocket, and the waistband folds down. Same exact thing. So I will link a video of those pants. I'm pretty sure I have a video. Yeah, I think I did it during Vlogmas, but I can't remember. Anywho, I feel like I'm rambling. So I'm gonna make these up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm going to show you what they look like, and if I have any issues with this pattern, because I made the other one. I know it's an easy sew. If I have any issues putting this together, I will let you guys know. All right. Alright guys, so here are the final looks for the 2 patterns. Again, these are 2 very easy patterns. The top, very easy sew, and I'm going to remind myself over and over again to make sure I look for a tutorial on my channel. I'm sure there's one with a top similar, but it just has the front, the back, the sleeves, and the neckband. So super easy sew. And the pattern, it has a lot of different, I feel like I'm breathing hard. The pattern has a lot of different versions. So you can use it in the summertime, you can use it in spring, fall, winter, all months, because it has the long sleeve version, short sleeve version. So this is a good pattern to kind of keep in rotation. And then the shorts, I keep calling them pants. The shorts, I love them. I love the length of them. I made them out of that Inquires print. I love the print. I love the way it's sewed up. I cut a 24 because I knew I was cutting it out of woven fabric, and they fit jam up. With the knit, I probably would have had, a little bit of, it probably would have been a little baggy maybe in the seat part had I did a knit, but I like the way the woven fabric looks in this Inquires print fabric. And you saw me cutting out the fabric in the video I did when I was cutting out the fabric. I was not talking in the video. Well, I was talking in the video, but I was talking on the phone. So that's why the video has music behind it. But anyway, I'm glad that I was able to find that purple ponte knit in my stash. And I had just enough. When I say I had just enough to make that top, had it been a long sleeve top or it had a bottom band or something, I wouldn't have been able to make it. But yeah, I barely got the short sleeve out of it, but I maneuvered and I got that sleeve out of that fabric. So that was me using that fabric down to the last little bit. So yes, so 2 very easy patterns for the summer. I recommend spring as well, spring and summer. I don't know where we're at right now. We in spring? I don't know. But 2 very easy makes. They don't take a lot of time to make. I made them both in one afternoon. I had already cut them out, so I didn't do start to finish. But if you can definitely get both of these sewn in about 4 hours, I would say, and that's from cut to finish. But if you already have them cut out, you can get both of these done in under 2 hours. The pants, it only had the front legs, the back legs, and the pockets, because the waistband was folded down. So there's a little more at the top of the pattern, and all you do is fold the waistband down and add the elastic. So yes, highly recommend these 2 patterns. Sew them together, you have an outfit. That might be what I might be doing for the summer. Maybe this may, just like the Simplicity 9337, I think it was, that I made all the jogger sets. These 2 patterns might be in heavy rotation for summer outfits. All right, so, oh, and I will link, I should have a video maybe on similar pants as well. Y'all see me do this on the channel. Y'all see me make pants on the channel. So I will try to find the best videos that are related to those 2 patterns and link them below, so you can give them a watch and see how easy it is to put together the pattern. Even though it's not these 2 specific patterns, it should be the same amount of pattern pieces and sewn the same way. So question of the day: have you already started on your summer wardrobe? If so, let me know in the comments what patterns you are using and your fabric. All right, so if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.